Everyone's looking for inventory, and we have it here in Severn, Maryland. Brand new construction, 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 3,200 square feet above grade, incredibly efficient floor plan, and immaculate selections. I'm TJ Willoughby with the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway, and let's go check it out. Welcome to your wide open floor plan here at 1065 Loving Road. Everything brand new. A 10-foot island, two-tone cabinetry, white stacked cabinets with a custom backsplash, GE profile stainless steel appliances, a large farmhouse sink, quartz countertops throughout the kitchen, and a walk-in pantry. This wide open floor plan is what everyone wants. Right off the kitchen, we have an inviting family room with a fireplace and tons of natural light. You'll notice the high-end LVP flooring throughout the whole house. And off the family room, the perfect room for an office or study, extra powder room, and a mudroom and arrival center that takes you into the 2-car garage. As we make our way to the second floor, you'll notice the oak stairs, metal bolsters, and craftsman-style newel posts. On the second floor, we have this extra loft space that is perfect for entertainment, whether it's kids or a workout room. The laundry room is conveniently located on the second floor and boasts granite countertops, cabinets, folding station, and a front-load GE washer and dryer. We're here in the master bedroom. You'll notice that loads of natural light, tons of crown molding, tray ceilings. You have a large walk-in closet here, and then we'll head to the master bath. In the master bath, we have raised type vanities, push and close cabinet and drawers, quartz countertops, matte black Delta Strike fixtures, an oversized shower, frameless glass, and ceramic tile from floor to ceiling, and an additional walk-in closet. In addition to the master, we have 3 large rooms on the second floor, a hallway bath, custom 12 by 24 inch tile, floor to ceiling tiles in the bathroom, and the matte black Delta Strike plumbing fixtures. Thank you for touring 1065 Loving Road with me here in Severn, Maryland, situated on a flat lot, 0.36 acres, a part of the Crossland Farm community. If you know anyone looking for brand new construction at a resale price, please reach out. Thanks.